Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mimi for those of you who are new, and oh my goodness, I cannot believe that I'm back and I'm working with Luvme hair company, my favorite hair company period. Okay, I'm really excited, you guys, to be showing you how to install this glueless wig from Luvme hair. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Luvme hair company. As usual, guys, I'm going to be showing you what is inside. We are going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme hair company. So this is their lovely box. I am loving everything about this box. The first thing that they gave me is this wig cap, a Luvme hair scarf, and please take note that everything, child, it is branded. Okay, Luvme hair mirror as well. They were also kind enough to send me hair clips. I'm honestly loving the color of this hair. Look at the curls, you guys. They are doing what they're supposed to be doing. The hair is nice and long. Oh my goodness. And this is how it looks inside. Okay, it has 4 combs, adjustable straps, and also an extra belt. Okay, because we are going to be doing a glueless wig installation. I love how soft the lace is on this wig. The knots are already bleached, child. Okay, and as usual, guys, this part of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know. A
take you way up, but it just go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like, you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
I love the fact that this wig is glueless, you guys. I mean, what more do I want? Everything is glueless. I can literally take it off and put it back on just like that. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, for direct links if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Do not forget to use this discount code. It is Manaso20 and you are going to get yourself 20% off when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. You guys, I'm loving the glueless wig effect that this wig is giving. Okay, like literally I love the parting is long enough. I am just loving everything about this wig. The curls are super nice and they are dry, but look how bouncy they are. I'm really happy with this wig. I love the color combination, baby. Okay, the brown, the black, the honey blonde, all together. I'm telling you, I'm looking like a snack. Thank you so much once again to Luvme Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Until next time, you guys, bye bye.